Video to fix your ROG Ally that will not boot or show the charging light after shutdown. Are you pressing the power button again and again, but nothing happens? No screen, no logo, no charging sign at all? This problem usually happens because the system gets stuck after a bad shutdown. The battery protection mode kicks in, or the device freezes at a deep power level where it looks completely dead even when it is not. Many people panic and think the motherboard is gone, but that is not always true. If you search on YouTube or social media, you will find long, confusing videos with risky steps, hard words, and no clear order, which makes the problem feel even worse. On Rexist, I will keep it simple and clear. There are 4 proven methods that can fix this issue, and I guarantee at least one of them will work for you, even if your ROG Ally looks fully dead and very critical right now. I want you to pause this video and try each method one by one as you see them on the screen, or take screenshots so you can follow them safely. Do not skip any method, and do not rush. Just go step by step and test after each one. Stay calm. Follow the methods steps by steps showing on the screen.